Hi everyone, this is week's 10 dictation. This is Monday, September the 14th. Now every day I will show you some pictures and you will have to guess where the pictures are from. So enjoy this one while you are listening to dictation. The first sentence has 4 words. Pick up that stick. Pick up that stick. So make sure before you start that you've got the word dictation as your title and the date is the 14/9/2020. Number 1, pick up. That stick. So check again. Pick up that stick. Check for a capital letter and a full stop and 1 finger space between each word. Number 2, you can see the stars at night. You can see the stars at night. So that's 7 words. Let's break them down. So the first 3 words are you can see. So that's what you write. You can see. The stars at night. You can see the stars at night. And we're done. Just make sure you're happy with it before you upload.